Hi, ISTQB stands for International Software Testing Qualifications Board. Its mission is to promote the value of software testing as a profession to individuals and organizations and enhance the efficiency work of software testers by certified knowledge. ISTQB is a non-profit association which was founded in 2002, and now ISTQB is the world's leading organization for software testing certification, present in more than 100 countries worldwide. Testers get certified based on good practice and the body of knowledge that ISTQB defines and maintains. It offers a career path, a way to support the knowledge of test engineers and test managers throughout their professional career. Professionals can acquire a competent knowledge starting from a basic understanding of software testing to in-depth specialized certifications. Why should I get certified, you may ask? As of December 2014, ISTQB has issued more than 380,000 certifications worldwide, with a growth rate of more than 13,000 certifications per quarter. ISTQB is the third largest technology-independent certifications in the IT industry in terms of the number of people certified. So jump in and join the majority of certified testers worldwide. You will get international recognition of acquired competencies and skills. You will get higher appeal in the labor market. It will also provide you with a whole of career path support, from foundation to expert level. Moreover, you will be authorized to use the certified tester logo in your business card. If you are a test manager in your company, you should encourage your testers to get certified because ISTQB certification can provide a competitive advantage for your company, promising a higher level of reliability of the application being developed due to efficient and cost-effective testing practices derived from the ISTQB competencies. Consulting companies with certified staff can offer higher-level services to customers, increasing revenues and brand value. In the latest Eurostar, one of the major testing conferences worldwide, 85% of the attendees have an ISTQB Foundation certificate, and 26% have also an ISTQB Advanced certification.